Hi YouTube, so today we have this Metal Gleam series from Baseus, which is a 9-in-1 multifunctional Type-C USB docking station. So let's quickly do the unboxing and see what is available. As we can see, it's sealed quite nicely, and let's try from the bottom part then. Okay, so let's see what is inside then. Okay, so I got the bottom. I mean, this is actually quite small. This is a lot smaller than I have expected. So let's see what's inside then. So we have the user manual here. We have the actual product. Then I think this is the warranty card. Then you have some cute stickers here. Okay, so I just put this up here then. Okay, just put this up here and look at the main product, which is the Type-C. Interestingly, this is actually a lot smaller than I've expected, and I just put this up here then. So it comes in a plastic wrap, and let's see here, there's actually a small USB plastic cover to protect the thing, and this thing itself is actually quite flexible, and then you put it in here. So now it looks like a lock. Okay, so weight wise, I think this is actually quite light, and if you want to use it, you can just pull it out. It's not that hard to pull it out, and as you can see, there's actually a HDMI slot here. This is the power delivery. You have I think this is the micro SD card if I'm not wrong. Then you have the SD card, then you have the Ethernet. Here's your VGA port, and then you have 3 USB ports here. So this is a very quick unboxing video of the Baseus Metal Gleam 9-in-1 multifunctional Type-C USB hub, and I'll be doing another video which is related to the review of this thing. So if you like the video, click like. If you would like to share to your friend, please share, and then please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. That's all. Bye.